Good evening, love. DVD, that vegan dude. Look. You see that? Yeah. Say. Simply Nature. Some almond butter filled pretzels. I usually get peanut butter filled. And while I'm doing all this, I'm over here watching Mr. and Mrs. Smith. You can see right there. Mr. and Mrs. Smith. I don't know if you saw all of that, but look. Let's see if the taste is in my face or it's going to get all over the place, or is it a disgrace when I have some of these almond filled pretzels. Okay. Okay. I kind of like that flavor. Flavor to flavor. I got favor. Bread of life, nice and light. I taste and see it. He who comes to me shall never hunger. He who believes in me shall never thirst. I left half. Don't be a moody foodie. Trust treating, eating like this in all of its beauty. When you're in the mood for food, you trust DVD, that vegan dude.